Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Right then everyone, a long awaited video for all the Zontes 350cc models. How to tyre pressure. How to do the learning guide for the Zontes 350s. I've slowed the video down slightly so you can read below, but like I say is look through this video 2 or 3 times, put the sound down so you can't actually hear me talking, and just pause the video when you need to read what it's saying on screen. But I have slowed it down for you, and if there are 2 of you doing it, it'd be a lot easier because one can actually do the instrument controls, what to go into, and then the other person can deflate the tyre at the front until the other person says, right, that's it, it's learnt the pressure, and then pump it up to the normal pressure. Might take 2 or 3 times for you to do it, but it will learn. There's only a certain amount of time between actually doing this, taking air out of the tyre or putting air in, before it actually you can say, yep, it's got it, knows what it is. Just repeat it 2 or 3 times and you'll be fine. It will learn your bike. This video shows doing it on another bike, etc., to see if it will learn from that one. But just do the process on your bike as they say to do it. Just watch the video 2 or 3 times and you'll be fine. Looks a bit confusing at first, but it's not really. You just got to go into the mode, then deflate the tyre slightly until the other person says, yep, it's registered that pressure. But it is a lot easier if there's 2 of you. Right, I'm going to stop gassing on now because I'm spoiling this video for you. So please like, subscribe, etc. You know the normal stuff. If you're not a member, become a member. It's brilliant. 8th channel, 1,500 videos on how to repair your bikes and stuff. Really good. So come join the party. This is Man Mick signing off. I'll see you all later.